Welcome to the New York AM session recap. So a little bit of context. Basically, I was sticking with the potential of seeking some sell-side liquidity after much of a run up last weeks, right? So I was prompting that in the Telegram channel as well as on my X. These are posts that I made before the stream, and yeah, my attention was lower. My attention was residing specifically at a very obvious or a very specific level at 26,702 even, and that was the level that I was looking for long before the stream or session even began. So that was kind of like where my attention was. And going into the session, I was looking for a potential setup that could lend well with sending price lower. So let's go straight into the recording. So starting with the 9:30 opening bell, small discount opening range gap, price immediately tapped into the consecutive encroachment of it, and basically then left to the downside. First printed fair value gap at 9:31 was a SIBI, so it was in the direction of my potential draw that I outlined right away. Initially, I have to admit that I was expecting some hardship today. I was expecting some little bit difficult condition in terms of potential manipulation or coloring outside the lines, and it was basically because of the no news Monday today and the fact that we had like very large range week last week. So a lot of excitement is or was being meant to enter the marketplace at the 9:30. So nonetheless, my focus and attention was 100% time on the downside. So throughout the whole stream, my attention was only on that sell side, and I already at the beginning submitted that either I'm going to get the sell side or I'm not going to trade anything on the long side. So here you can see my entry. That was close proximity entry to that inversion fair value gap on 1 minute. That's what I was using. After price swept initially below the relative lows, I moved the stop loss to even, and then I was basically allowing for that potential run lower, which was initially a little bit sloppy, but indeed it delivered. So that was nice, I guess. And yeah, the summary for today: that was a pretty difficult morning session, yet price delivered to my drawn liquidity and offered an opportunity to engage with a winning trade. So overall, I'm content with my executions today, and there's definitely room for improvement, but I feel confident and comfortable with my decision making throughout. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The trades shown. And yeah, thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.